Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to Coco for sending us the Osmo Nano metal quick release mount. That's right, you have a metal quick release mount. Maybe you don't have the right one like me. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's check this out and see if it works out just right for you. So we have the Osmo Nano here, as you can see, and by default it has the built-in quick release feature, but it's really hard to find a quick release mount that will work with your tripod. If you know me and been following me, you know I've been using the default one, which goes on really nice and smooth. Look at that. Okay, and then reverse. It goes on really nicely. And you know I've been using this one right here, the other quick release mount, which basically butchers the bottom of your experience because you have to jerry rig it and push it on. See, this one is finding reverse for polarity, doesn't work out. And you know I've been using this one as my favorite one, but I also have to jerry rig it to have it work out just right for me and for you when I make those videos, because as you can see, it's getting it to clip in and getting it out. And then what happens is the end result is your bottom looks like that. This gets butchered, as you can see. Yes, it will work, but this will get butchered. And as you can see here, this gets scratched and some of the metal gets eaten off. But those days are over, thanks to Coco. Thank you, Coco. So we have this right here. Let's check it out, see what it does. It's really light. It's like there's nothing in here, but it's made of metal. Remember that. And now, let's see what we got. Don't need that anymore. This is nice. Wow, nice colors. Matches my case, which is good. Fly mile, that's what it says on it. It looks like it has two little flaps here. So it's like easy to store, which is really nice because you can store it like this if you're not going to use it. And then when you're ready to use it, you open up the wings. And then hopefully, wow, this is not ending. You can feel it clipping. And of course it fits because it's really the right size. And let's see our camera. We'll take this one off. And then now, put this back on. And of course I have a little bit of trouble putting this on because, as you can see, you know, I kind of ruined it using the wrong adapter. But look at that. Wow, let's see if it works on the other one. So don't be like me, don't ruin your stuff, because preventative is cheaper than damage control. And then now, oh, this one look, goes on so much smoothly. Wow. And then let's try the other way. Look at that. It's not even looking for the opposite polarity because it just goes on anyway. It can. See that? Which is great because for those of you who want to use, you know, the camera alone. But let's see if it'll go on to our tripod, right? So it's got all these features to work universally with all the different bottoms, right? Make sure that's like on there because you don't want to lose your camera. But let's see how it goes onto the tripod. Since we know this doesn't work, right? So we can get rid of this and now have a designated tripod with its magnetic metal mount for the Osmo Nano. Now we're back in business, creating those action shots / adventures, because this can pretty much live on its own in its new home. Kind of neat, huh? The only issue we have is trying to figure out which way is the best angle for that perfect shot. We'll do it like this first, and we'll always make sure your mount is tight, right? Especially when going on adventures. And of course, in this particular case, we will loosen this and then turn that around, right? Because we know it's tighter. And then now, the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, I love the sound of that click. It just goes on so smoothly. And maybe we'll adjust the camera angle like that. And then voila. Can always make sure before you put any mount on, no matter how good it is, do that. You know, and then and then we know it's on. Maybe I want to shoot this way, right? And then it's on. It goes on really nicely. You could feel that click, you know, like it just pulls on magnetically. And of course, just make sure. And now we're like, wow, ooh la la. Now you're probably thinking like, this is a really small camera mount. Nah, the tripod really extends to that selfie experience. For the amusement park, the only issue you'll have is like whether or not they'll let you on the ride with this thing. This is really nice. I kind of like it. And then we can try it the other way. So what we'll do is take this off like that, because sometimes you want to have the wireless experience, or maybe not wireless. Maybe you're not monitoring, right? Maybe you're just leaving this in the car and just taking this with you, because this works just as good, especially with the built-in memory. This went on really easily, and look at the end, making it lighter. You know, you just have to transfer the video onto here when you're done, or vice versa. This is really nice. Wow, and let's try it the other way. Let's say I want to film everyone at the party. I loosen this and then hold it, you know, because you don't want to. This, remember, it doesn't matter which way, because it's just going to go on. And adjust the angle, and then voila. Wow, this is great. And you have a shoe mount in case you get other accessories that can go on there if you're not using the magnetic feature on there, because there are some magnetic features that go on to that thing without an adapter. This is kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. Oh, camera's right over there. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.